Hey, Mom. Oh, wow. You can see me, right? Oh, wow. That's right, homeboy. Y'all been asking the longest for us to make a video on clear ice. We got a stack of it right here, all homemade, okay? Homegrown stuff, organic. And I'm here with this.
Lovely.
I ain't call you lovely.
Say it.
I'm here with this.
Lovely.
All right, so now let's get down to it. You cannot get clear ice by boiling water or using distilled water or using even holy water. That's right. The Pope could bless your water and it's still not going to come clear when you freeze it. The only way to get clear ice, or I shouldn't say the only way, the way that we do it is this thing called directional freezing. It was created by this guy, I met him once actually, called Alcademics. So that's the Coleman cooler I got on Amazon. I think this was like $12, $13. And what you do is you take off the top. This number one, you take the top off, right?
Top off. Top off. All right, come on, let's go. What's next?
Once you take the top off, then what we can do is we can fill it with just regular tap water. Doesn't need to be hot or anything like that, just regular tap water. And once we fill this with water, we can put this in the freezer, okay? Why you all up on me like that? Go ahead, man.
Because I missed you.
Oh, you feel the muscles on the arm?
No,
Don't work it out. Look at the little buds right there.
Those are fake. He inflated these
look at the
right
little buds
before
right
we
there.
started
Look at the buds there. Touch it though. Poke it. Oh, I said poke it. I didn't say punch it.
You don't get any sympathy from me. And you're ashy. Why do I punch you and you just turn ashy? Get some lotion for this man.
It's a black thing. Okay, anyway, I just have my assistant.
Assistant?
Whatever the hell you are, just put that thing in the freezer.
How am I supposed to open the freezer and I got both these in my hands?
Suppose you're here by yourself. How would you make this?
Like, come on. Like, I need you to do something.
Yeah, just put it in there.
Thank you. All right. I'm going to.
Okay.
Okay. There we go. My head's probably in the way.
Okay, so we put it in the freezer.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so what we do is we allow that to sit for about 24 hours. Now, here's what can happen. You paying attention?
Mental notes.
Guys, you put your cooler in the freezer for about 24 hours. The beauty of directional freezing is that the cooler insulates the sides so it freezes from the top down, freezing the purest water first. Now you need to remove it before all of the water freezes. So you get a nice clear chunk on top and the impure water at the bottom. And that is how you get your clear ice.
So basically, just put some water in the cooler and let it sit for 24 hours and then break the top. All that other stuff, I don't know what you said.
I gotta tell them the goddamn science behind it, man.
That's what you do.
You know,
right?
ratchets, they don't pay attention in class,
That's
okay?
just it.
They know you flick on the light switch. They don't care about all the wiring that goes into it, okay? Look at this, okay? You perpetuating a stereotype of violence.
First of all,
in
you're
the black community.
perpetuating a stereotype of
No, but I'm just saying, you pick up a knife, okay?
It's here.
I know. So
it's
what?
Here.
Yeah.
It's here for me to pick up. It's a prop. It's for me to use.
So here's the thing. Once you take this out of the fridge, you have to let it sit, guys. You do not want to put your hands on it because your body heat can cause the ice to crack, okay? It has to acclimate to room temperature, okay? So it's been sitting here a little while, and I'm just gonna take this and flip this over. Allow it to fall out. Oh, snooky now, okay? Snooky now.
Impressive.
Okay, you see the clearness at the bottom there? So we have a nice thick layer of clear ice.
Are you ready?
Yeah, don't hit it too hard, just a nice gentle crack.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2. You're supposed to stop that.
Okay, all right, I got you. Okay, so now guys, look at what we have left. We have this nice clear block. Like, look at this, you can see me through it. Hey, Mom! Oh, wow, you can see me, right? Oh, wow, okay. So now I want these nice little thin cubes, right? So what we can do, I just need to get a nice little cut in there. Okay, so now what you can do is you can tap this knife and it should break straight down that line. Just a nice gentle tap, tap, tap. Keep going, one more. One more. Fine. Now you have this. You see?
Look like it could be a centerpiece.
Right. And so now you could just make your little square ice cubes. Hit it again.
You didn't do that right.
Cause you gotta hit it hard, man. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this one.
You know, I'm a very powerful person.
Whatever. It cuts on its own, so you got these nice, cool cubes that you could put in, right? Go ahead, tap.
See?
Bingo.
Good at what I do. What is this thing? What's happening? Ooh, science.
Okay.
Ooh.
See, check it out.
Ooh.
Cute, right?
It's so pretty. No, that's not. You're gonna melt it with your mouth. Ew. And that, my friends, is how Sky John became bisexual.
Okay, but let's do your drink. Put your drink there.
This is a glass, not a drink.
Okay, whatever. Put your drink there. Just making sure I could fit, so I'm just sliding it down. And guys, this is a typical little bread knife that I'm using. There are ice knives out there that you could use, but.
Really?
Okay, well, let me wash it again, just so she don't complain.
Really? How many times did you scratch your balls today, Sky?
Twice. Okay, just like nice little cool little ice cube. You just drop it in there, okay? Hit that. That's an adult drink, okay?
The best margarita I ever asked for.
You asked for margarita? Too bad. Technically speaking, you could kind of create a ball on your own.
So for you guys at home learning shapes, this is not a circle.
It's circle-ish. Guys, this can be like a ghetto ball, okay? Because guess what? I don't do this every day, okay?
I don't want you to cut yourself.
Right, I'm not gonna cut myself.
You've cut yourself before.
Right. But I won't cut myself. Look at my ball. Hold on.
The machete. No one forgets the machete.
Okay, hold on. But look at this hand cut ball. Look at my ball, homeboy.
That's a ball on drugs.
It ain't perfect, but it's cool. Okay, here's the thing with making your own ice though. It's not practical for bulk, okay? Like if you're doing drinks every single day, this takes too long because you need at least a good 24 hours for the ice to freeze, all right? In addition to that, you only be getting a few cubes. Like you can't have no massive party of one cooler of ice. So if you're a bar or you're having a huge party, it's not practical. You better off just calling the ice makers and having them sell you clear ice. Yeah. So sayonara, stay tipsy, drink up, all that.
Margarita time.
Hey mom, look what I did. Your son's a scientist. Hi mom, you said I wouldn't be anything, but I'm a scientist. My mom never said that.
Yeah, we know.
She was never like, you're not gonna be a scientist. She was pretty much straightforward. You ain't shit, then you ain't never gonna be shit.
And that's she was right. She was right.
Okay, my mom don't say shit.
All right.
She said mother effer though in certain situations. Anyway, stay tipsy.